Hi, it's me, Shaniaz Khan. So today we'll talk about how can we run Google Ads and get result for small businesses. Basically, if you have very small budget, you can't get any result on Google Ads. So if you have if your daily budget is $5, but your CPC is $3 or $2, you just get 3 or 4 clicks in a whole day. So in 3 or 4 clicks a day, how can we get conversion? So it's the problem, but every problem has some solution. So I'm not just trying, I already make some progress with like this small businesses with. So basically we will run ad for this company. So it's this company is based on Malaysia. So there is some worker they have, and they just make a website and want to run ads. So they have those services. Those are very immediate service like plumbing, electrician, uh, painting, plaster. Those services are immediate service. So first we need to select a location, specific location where you can put the service. You can do it very immediately. They call you and you can respond. So first we select that kind of location. So I'll show you what I did. Okay. I find a best location, like where they can give the customer services very immediately, and they have the potential customer. So I select exact that area and give them a 5 mile around radius. So you can do that. It's very easy. So I think if you're running Google Ads, you can do that. It's very easy to do. If you don't know, please leave a comment and I'll make a video about that. So then I make one ad group for them. Just I'll also I need to verify this account. Okay, I will do that, no problem. If you don't know how to verify Google Ads account, you can leave a comment. I'll make a video about this, and with this Google Ads account, so it will be a proof, and it will be a ongoing things, so you can see how it's work, right? Okay, so I create a ad group, just one ad group for I select two services. I select two services, best services for, and I just make one ad group, and I select the CPA 10, and under the ad group I not I didn't use lot much keyword, so I just use very exact keyword. You can get conversion, and those are not small keywords. They are basically long tail keywords. So if you put long tail keyword, if they search specifically, the search intent specifically, you will get result. So I just add some of the keywords, and we need to work on the ads. So I put two ads. I mean it's two ads. Basically there is 20 headlines and 4 description each ads. So if you have two, then I have almost 40 headlines and 8 description. So it could be very effective for our ads. So it's a very working process. You can use it. I definitely will get results. So I do that, and on the assets I use everything I can use. So I add those images like portfolio kind of thing, the message thing with WhatsApp. You need to do that. Location, also the call. These three things is very important. So if you are running ads, you are going to when customer search, they show the ads. If they can see they can attach and they can connect with that services very immediately, and they can get them very immediately. So basically they will call you and they will leave a message. That's why we are focused on those three things: call, message, and location. So if possible, you can show your contact, everything you have. I mean, not your contract, your client contacts, your client business contacts, you can show. So basically that's it. I run it today. And the conversion tracking, it's very important. So I did two of them, just call from ads and the WhatsApp. So those are two. This is the direction. Also the direction three, I told you the three is very important. And this one, calls from ad, and this one is inactive and we don't need that, so I will make it secondary. Okay, so that's the thing. If you do like this, definitely you will get result. So it's all for today. I will show the ads after we get result. Thank you. Have a good day and bye bye.